What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on the ForexPropFirm.com YouTube channel. I'm your host, Valentine, and today I am going to dive a little bit deeper into the different challenges as we got two new challenges on our website. So today I'm going to share my screen and then we are going to go over every challenge that we currently offer, and I am going to walk you through that. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen. And as you can see here, I'm on ForexPropFirm.com page. And we are going through the one-step challenge first. As you can see, we have a new $10,000 challenge and a $400,000 account. So altogether, we have 10, 25, 50, 100, 200, and 400K accounts. Let's go through the different things that we need to accomplish. So for every challenge on the one step, we got a 10% profit share from the challenge phase. The phase one profit target is 10% for each challenge as well. We don't have any phase two profit target. Maximum daily loss is about 4%, and the maximum overall loss is 6%. You don't have any time limit on this challenge and you don't need any minimum trading days as well. The commission on Forex cryptos and commodities are $4.5 for one lot, and for indices it's $0.45 or 45 cents per lot. That's on every account as well. The profit split that you're going to have is 90-10, which is, in my opinion, pretty crazy. There is news trading allowed on every challenge. You can hold over the weekend. You get expert advices. Trade copiers are unfortunately not allowed. You're going to get a reset discount, refundable fee for any challenge that was achieved is 100%, and the leverage is 1-30 for Forex indices and commodities as well. So the different prices for the 10K is $94, for the 25K it's $209, for the 50K it's $319, for the 100K it's $549, for the 200K it's $999, and for the 400K $1,899. So that's it for the one step. Now I'm going to show you the two step. The thing with the profit share from the challenge phase is the same as for the one step challenge. The phase one profit is at 8%. It was 10% for the one step challenge. And the phase two profit, which you don't have in the one step challenge, obviously, is at 5%. You don't have a maximum daily loss, and the maximum overall loss is 12%. The time limit on these challenges is 35 days for phase one and 60 days for phase two. The minimum trading days are 5. Commissions are the same as for the one step challenge, and the profit split is the same as well. News trading, weekend holding, expert advisors, trade copiers, and reset discount are the same as well for the one-step challenge. You have a refundable fee, and the challenge prices for the 10K is 124. For the 25, it's 249. For the 50K, it's 389. For the 100K, it's 679. For the 200 it's 1,239, and for the 400,000 it's $2,399. Wow, that's a lot of things that I need to get on in my head. Okay, so that's it for the two-step challenge. That is the two-step pro challenge. I'm going to show you that one as well. The difference is the phase one profit target is 10% and not 8. Phase 2 is 5%. You got a maximum daily loss at 5% as well. The maximum overall loss is at 10%. You don't have any time limit here, and the minimum trading days are 3. Commissions is the same, just as the rest here. I'm going to go over the prices. For the 10K, it's $94, 25K, $209, 50K, $319, 100K, $549, 200K, $999, and for the 400K, it's $18,999. Okay. Now we are going to go over the instant funding. There is obviously no phase 1 profit target, no phase 2 profit target. Maximum daily loss is 5% and the maximum overall loss is 5% as well. No time limit, obviously. 30 days minimum trading days. The profit split here is 80-20. The rest is the same. And the challenge prices for that is $500 for the 10K account, $1,250 for the 25K account, $2,500 for the 50K account, $5,000 for the 100K account, 200,000K account is $10,000, and the $400,000 account is $20,000. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions regarding the challenge or different pricing or something like that, just let us know in the comments and then we're going to reach out to you. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video to not miss out on any further updates on our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy trading.